Hi friends, are you ready for Lesson 14 Problem Set? Make sure you have your materials. You need your problem set paper, a pencil, and if you're not at your table, you'll need a clipboard. Go ahead and get your materials. Okay, first thing first, let's write your name. Go ahead and write your name. Okay, now make sure you have a partner to do this with because you're going to be doing some talking to each other, and I want you to listen to your partner's thinking. You're going to see if you agree or disagree with your partner and why. Let's get started. This says there are 7 animals. There are 5 giraffes and 2 elephants. Can you complete? Can you put the whole here? And then can you make a number bond out of what I just read to you? Use those pictures. Here's the next problem. At the store, there was 1 big bear and 6 small bears. There were 7 bears altogether. Can you fill in the hole? And then can you fill in your number bond? I want you to look at the bears. How did you know where to put the 6 in your number bond? What about the 1? What about the 7? Does it matter where you write the numbers for the big bear and the little bears in the number bond? Talk to your partner. I want you to look at the pictures, fill in the hole, and fill in the number bond to match the picture. The squares below represent cubes. 4 gray cubes and 3 white cubes are 7 cubes. Fill in the hole and then fill in the part. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Now what I want you to do down here, color the cubes to match the cubes above. Fill in this number sentence and remember to start with the whole first. Look at the gray and the white cubes. Is there a difference between the broken stick and the whole stick? Between this stick and this stick, is there a difference? What's the difference? What's the same about the sticks? Talk to your partner. What I want you to do now, this is the fun part. Create your own story and tell your partner about it. And your partner has to draw a picture of your story and create a number sentence to go with the picture. And then you're going to do vice versa. Then your partner is going to tell you a story and you're going to draw a picture of their story and create a number sentence to go with it. I cannot wait to see what you come up with on Seesaw. Make sure you take a picture of your problem set on Seesaw. Have fun!